Hey there, nature lovers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of bird meals. Did you know that birds eat multiple times a day? That's right. These feathered friends are always on the hunt for their next meal. As for their favorite dish, it varies depending on the species. Some birds love fruits, while others prefer insects, seeds, or even small mammals. It's amazing how diverse their diets can be. Thanks for joining us on this bird-tastic adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating facts about the animal kingdom. Until next time, keep exploring.